everyone, I'm Katie from KTTechie.com, and today we're going to be seeing the video walkthrough of the blog post I recently published, which is Free Download Manager, the best download manager available. So if you're new to this channel is all about tech and stuff related to that. So if you're interested in this, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's first download and install the Free Download Manager. First, visit freedownloadmanager.org. I've given the link in the description box below and also in the blog post if you want to check it out. And just click here, free download for Windows. And I have already installed Free Download Manager, so I just go through that. Just cancel it. I've already installed it. So it's also available for 4 different platforms: Windows, Mac, Android and Linux. Just download according to your OS. And after that, let's see the installation. Just go through the installation prompt. It's pretty straightforward for both Windows and Mac. The pictures are given here, and if you have any queries or doubts, leave them in the comment section below and make sure to reply them. Coming to the browser integration, let's open the software first, and you just have to go to here and just have to click on preferences, and under the menu click on browser integration. Currently this supports different browsers: Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Vivaldi and Opera. I'm currently using Chrome, as you can see here. So I haven't installed this extension yet on Chrome. So just click here and it will automatically redirect you to the page. Let me just remove it for an instance. And you just have to click the add to Chrome and add extension. Wait for it, and that's it. So you're all set and done. Now the extension is integrated with your browser, so whatever you download via the Chrome browser, it will automatically go through the Free Download Manager. So coming to the main speed difference, as you can see that before downloading Free Download Manager, the speed was only 262 kbps, but after installing it, it has enormously increased and downloading at the rate of 1.6 MB per second. That's a huge improvement of speed. That's one of the perks of using a download manager. There are also several download managers available out there, such as IDM, one popular one, Internet Download Manager. But what's the disadvantage in it is that it is a paid one, and this is not. So I just recommend it. So coming to security, there's also an antivirus option that you can enable, so that every time you download something with Free Download Manager, it gets scanned for any viruses. It's a pretty cool feature, as the files will get automatically scanned and you don't have to worry about any malware and virus kind of stuff. And it's also possible that you can set it to manual scanning, so that it does not scan automatically and you could do them manually. You just have to click on the check the box here, and if you want the scans to perform automatically, just check the box here. As you can see, it will perform it automatically, or else if it is left unchecked, you should you could do the manual scanning. There's also an option that enables you to choose which antivirus scans to file. You should select the antivirus here. Currently I am using Windows Defender antivirus. There's also plenty available, such as Bitdefender, Kaspersky, etc. Just go through installation here, and under the antivirus feature, select whatever the antivirus which you want, such as Bitdefender or Kaspersky. I'm just using Windows Defender antivirus currently, and if you want to check this box, just check it for that automatically perform virus checks when download is finished, and if it is left unchecked, you should perform it manually. So coming to the conclusion, this is a very good and efficient way to improve the speed of your downloads, but it does have a downside. When it is downloading at such a good speed, it uses more data than usual. So if you are using limited internet, such as mobile data, be cautious about it, or else you may run out of data. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.